In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to talk with AI for free using ChatGPT. This process is simple and can be accomplished in just a few steps, allowing you to engage with an AI assistant that can help answer questions, provide recommendations, and much more. Let's dive right into it. First, what you need to do is open Google. This is your starting point for finding and accessing the ChatGPT website. If you don't already have a browser open, go ahead and launch one, and then type Google into the address bar to navigate to the search engine. Once you're on Google, the next step is straightforward. In the search bar, type in ChatGPT. This search will direct you to various resources about ChatGPT, but what we're interested in here is the official site. After typing ChatGPT into the search bar and hitting enter, look through the results and click on the ChatGPT website. This will typically be one of the top results. The official site is where you'll access the platform without any charge. Clicking this link takes you directly to the homepage of the ChatGPT service, where the fun begins. Now that you're on the ChatGPT website, let me show you a great feature. Look for the option that says Use Voice Mode, which you should find next to the search bar. This feature allows you to interact with the AI using your voice, making the experience hands-free and more conversational. Click on it, and you're ready to start speaking directly with ChatGPT. With voice mode activated, it's time to ask something. You can ask either general questions or seek specific advice. For instance, you might say something like, "Give me the 5 best tourist spots to visit." The AI will respond with suggestions, helping you in planning your next adventure. Engaging with ChatGPT this way is not only informative, but also quite engaging and interactive. Once you have finished your conversation or gotten the information you need, you can click on End to see the entire conversation transcript. This is handy if you want to review the discussion or if you missed something the AI said. Accessing the conversation record ensures that you can keep track of the information provided, making it easy to reference later. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to interact with AI without any cost using ChatGPT. Whether you need help with a quick question or want to explore a topic more in depth, ChatGPT provides an excellent free resource to tap into artificial intelligence. I hope you found these tips helpful and you're now ready to go explore AI conversations on your own.